Welcome back to another video. Today we got a weekly ad from Home Depot. It says May 2nd to May 12th. It says Make Mom's Day. I guess that's the front page that they have. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. And let's go ahead and get started. First page we got from Home Depot, Make Mom's Day. So we got some flowers, obviously, some plants. If you got a mom, just keep her in mind. Maybe, I don't know if she likes flowers or not, but just keep that in mind. You know, take her out to eat or something like that. Moms always appreciate that. Let's see here. Let's see if we got anything. Any tools? Mostly, like I said, mostly flowers and decorations and garden equipment, or fertilizers, bug sprayers, and all that. Roundup. We got a nice chest here for $39.99. We got a Rubbermaid 75 quart wheeled cooler, $39.97. We got some grills here, some gloves, $14.97 for those. Look like they're leather. Then we got a nice, this is a smoker, 22 wood pellet smoke grill. Yeah, it looks like a smoker. $5.99. Burner gas griddle, $1.99. And this one too, if you guys need a gas one. Glow 4-burner gas grill, $159. Alright, tools. We got some garden equipment. Like I said on my previous videos, everybody's moving to battery and lithium. Everybody's leaving the gas. So we got Eagle. Eagle is one of the better brands out there. Eagle 56 volts, 21 cordless self-propelled 3-in-1 mower with 7.5 amp kit. Amp hour kit, by the way, $4.99. Then we got the same 56 volts blower, 2.5 amp kit, $179. These are nice blowers, and these are self-winding weed eaters, by the way. They're auto winds. All you do is just put the wire in there, half of it, and then join the other two. Make sure you got half of the wire or the string, and then just push the button until it's winded in. Eagle 56 volt brushless 15-inch string trimmer, 2.5 amp hour kit, $179. Got the Troy Built 21 high wheel ready start gas mower, $219. And this is the other electric one. This was more like a budget friendly type of mower. Still works though. You're not gonna get the longevity of the battery from the Eagle though. The Eagle is like top of the line, but this would work, you know, for a medium-sized small yard. This will definitely work for you. You got the Ryobi 40 volt 20-inch cordless mower, 5 amp hour kit, $279. Not a bad deal for a battery operated. Toro 22 high wheel self-propelled smart tow recycler gas mower, $339. Honda 21 self-propelled 3-in-1 gas mower, $379. Did I say $379 on this one? It's $339 for that. Got the DeWalt Flex Volt 60 volts. So this is the new battery platform from DeWalt, which does work with older tools. Anything that's a standard 20 volts. 15-inch string trimmer with a 3 amp hour kit, $249. So this is great because if you already got batteries, you can just buy the bare tool, or you can get this with a 3 amp hour kit. Got the DeWalt Flex Volt 60 volt max brushless blower, 3 amp hour kit, $269. Got the Ryobi 18 volts 2 amp hour kit, $119. So this is, if you already got Ryobi, you know, pretty much you got it made there. Ryobi does sell a little better string trimmer, the one with the head on the top, but this one should be okay. Got the Ryobi 2900 PSI pressure washer, $319. Alright, we got some floors, some doors. This door's nice, $339. Some baseboards. Yes, you guys know I am remodeling my kitchen. I'm currently working on a video for the Bauer rotary hammer or demolition hammer. Well, not the demolition, it's the rotary hammer, but it does have a hammer option there. And I will be making a video for that. So it'll probably take me about 2 weeks to get it done, or about a week and a half or so to get that done. And I will have more like a remodeling series for my kitchen, so you guys will see the progress and how bad it was, and how hopefully how nice it's gonna look. So just keep that in mind. Let's see here, we got some tools. Let's see here, sorry, moving this around. We got a buy one get one free. It says Ridgid Octane 18 volts Bluetooth battery, 3 amp hour and a 4 amp hour kit, or 6 amp hour kit, my bad. So you get a giant battery and a smaller battery there for $179, and you get one select power tool or battery free. So you get the charger and you get the Bluetooth battery for $179. And these are the tools that you can get for free with that kit. Got the Octane 18 volt brushless impact driver, $129. Octane 18 volt brushless angle grinder, $129. Got the Octane 18 volt brushless Job Max multi tool, $139. It's a great tool. You can switch the heads here with different types of tools. This is the Octane 18 volt brushless super cleaning saw, $159. It's not a bad deal to get this with the batteries, or this. Octane 18 volt brushless 7.5 or 7.25 circular saws, $159. Got the Octane 18 volt brushless jigsaw, $139. And that's it for that. You got the DeWalt Flex Bolts 2.5 gallon 60 volt max brushless, $299. This is the portable. So flexible mat, cordless, all convenience, portability. Lets you continue using the pneumatic tools you already have. Each battery allows up to 1,220 nails, providing runtime to complete variety applications. Regular, no longer. Okay. So this is battery operated. Most of your, well, I gotta say, not your old batteries, but just the 60 volts max will work on these tools. I'm pretty sure you have to buy extra batteries because one, I don't think you can run a lot on one. DeWalt's 20 volt max XR 18 gauge brad nailer 2.0 amp hour kit, $299. This is the precision. I believe this is the precision tool there. Got the Makita LXT 18 volt sub compact brushless 2 amp hour kit, $199. This is not a bad deal, especially it's brushless, one of the newer tools they got, and it does include 2 batteries. So you get the Makita Impact Gold 26 piece bit set for $997. Then you got the Stanley 25 auto lock tape measure for $17.97, and then you have a DeWalt's 10 compartment organizer, $14.90. I love these and the Milwaukee ones, and the pretty much all of them are nice. Everybody got their own, color or design. So you got some smart devices here for the home. It just depends on if that's what you want to go with. You guys could go with something like this. A lot of people have them in their house. They have the little bell door thing. And I have one of these in my house. It's just not this fancy. Mine's just the one with the numbers. That's how it is. And I do have some LED, but they are not smart like these. You can connect them to your phone and turn them off and on. Anyways, we got some paints here on sale. Some bathroom stuff. So we got some more tools back here. We got some more paint. We got a ladder for $79.96. 106 feet fiberglass step ladder type IA. Every time you're buying a ladder, make sure you look at the capacity, how much weight. Let me see if it says here 360 feature, oversized split panel. Doesn't say. It says right there 300 pound load capacity. So every time you're buying a ladder, make sure you're buying a high capacity ladder, not because you're heavy, but because it's heavy duty, you know. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.